Narrow rolling carts transform cramped bathrooms by adding vertical, mobile storage where a vanity cannot. Choose a tiered slim cart with casters sized to clear door swings and fit between sink and toilet, measuring twice for height and width before you buy, and use clear bins on each shelf to group like items such as daily skincare, shaving gear, and oral care so you can grab a kit in one motion. For over-toilet storage towers, pick a model with adjustable shelves and back support that anchors to studs or uses wall anchors to prevent tipping, and store bulk items or spare toilet paper on the top shelf with frequently used items within easy reach. Recessed wall-mounted slim cabinets require locating a cavity or creating one, so check plumbing and wiring with a stud finder and a small inspection camera if available. Then frame and finish the opening so the door sits flush and seals moisture. Ladder towel racks with shelves work well where floor space is narrow because they lean against the wall and create multiple rungs for towels, plus shelf space for baskets holding linen or hair tools. Secure the top with a small anchor for stability. Corner triangular carts use wasted corner footprints, so measure the diagonal depth and choose shallow tiers so items do not protrude into walking paths, and put heavier items on the bottom shelf to lower the center of gravity. Keep maintenance simple by assigning each shelf a category, wiping surfaces weekly with a mild cleaner, and rotating linens so air circulates to prevent mildew. People often buy a cart that is too deep, which blocks access to other fixtures, so measure clearance from all sides and choose a shallower profile or a corner style to avoid interference. Another mistake is failing to secure tall or top-heavy towers which can tip, so always anchor tall units to the wall or stud and place heavier items low to keep the center of gravity down. A common oversight is ignoring moisture and ventilation, which leads to mildew on stored linens, so use moisture-resistant materials, leave cabinet doors ajar after showers when possible, and rotate or launder towels regularly to keep fabrics fresh. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a searchable platform specific to home improvement needs like bathroom storage and small space remodels. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips, product recommendations, and local installer experiences to help everyone plan and execute projects better.